Hi everyone, I'm Mark Renaud, National Sales Manager for CUTWORX USA. Today, I'm excited to introduce the CUTWORX Apex M Series, our high-end digital flatbed cutting solution. I'm pleased to be the Chief Product Evangelist, and today I'm on the spot on WIN PrintSpot.
Welcome everyone, I'm MJ and today we're launching WIN PrintSpot, a new way to help print pros make confident, informed decisions.
WIN PrintSpot is a Shark Tank style show for printing technology without the business investment. This is about product investment, giving print professionals the facts they need to decide what truly belongs in their operation.
Each episode follows a simple structure, starting with the market, what's happening, why it matters, and where the opportunity is.
And from there, we break down the product, overview facts, real-world performance, and the demo, culminating in the pitch.
Delivered by the Chief Product Evangelist.
And today, our Chief Product Evangelist is Mark Renaud from CUTWORX USA.
For our debut, we're focusing on one of the fastest growing production segments in the industry, finishing technologies.
And we're doing that with CUTWORX USA, the leader in finishing automation and support in the Americas.
Today's featured product is the Apex M Series Digital Flatbed Cutter.
But before we get into the product, we start where every smart buying decision begins, with the market.
To help us understand the market landscape and why finishing technology matters right now, please welcome our printologist for today, Rom DeBarco. Rom is the General Manager of CUTWORX USA and a leading expert on finishing technology in the Americas, with more than 25 years of hands-on industry experience.
This is WIN PrintSpot, where the hype stops and the facts start.
Welcome, Rome. We're glad to have you on WIN PrintSpot. Let's start with the market. What's driving demand for finishing technology right now?
Thanks, Dan and MJ. Before we get into the product, it's important to understand the market context. As print shifts towards shorter runs and customization, finishing has become a critical driver of speed, labor efficiency, and profitability, which is why automation systems matter now more than ever. Let's start at looking at the market momentum. Globally, print is over a $500 billion market. Digital print alone is growing at a 5 to 6% annually, and the finishing market on its own is worth $8 to $12 billion. Why finishing is critical? Because of short runs, faster turnaround times, labor shortages, and the increased requirements of automation are some of the driving factors. When we start looking at the return on your investment for your new finishing equipment, you're going to find that 30 to 50% of your labor alone in your process is just in finishing. Over the first 3 years, you're going to see a 40 to 70% reduction in that labor, which increases turnaround time. Flatbed cutting solutions fit into a variety of market segments and processes in your shop, including making signage, packaging, displays, and other in-house finishing capabilities. Now that you have a better understanding of the market and the opportunities there, I'll turn it back to Dan and MJ.
Rom, that gives us the market context and the business case. Thank you.
Now that we understand why finishing automation matters, let's move into the product itself.
Please welcome our Chief Product Evangelist, Mark Renaud. Mark will take us through the product overview and then hit us with the specifications, or as we say here, just the facts. Mark, you're up.
Thanks, Dan. I'm pleased to introduce today's feature product, the Apex M Series from CUTWORX USA. This production-grade digital flatbed cutting system is built for speed, precision, and flexibility. With multiple table sizes to support a wide range of rigid and flexible applications, let me walk you through some of the key highlights. Production grade vacuum system. The Apex M Series is built for real production, starting with material control. A high-flow vacuum system with software-controlled zoning applies suction only where it's needed, keeping both rigid and flexible materials stable. The result is cleaner cuts, reduced waste, and consistent output across a wide range of applications. Built for speed and precision. Speed and accuracy go hand in hand on the Apex M Series. Linear motor drive technology delivers fast, traverse speeds while maintaining precise, repeatable cutting. This allows shops to increase throughput without sacrificing quality, even in detailed or high-volume jobs. Flexible modular platform. The modular platform makes the Apex Series an easy to integrate into existing spaces. The system ships disassembled, allowing installation through standard doorways. Multiple table sizes and configurations enable shops to match their cutter to the workflow and floor plan, with flexibility to adapt as production needs evolve. Scalable product family. The Apex M Series includes multiple models designed to support different throughput and application requirements. Buyers can choose the configuration that fits their operation today, with clear path to scale their business as their business grows. Now that you've learned the basic highlights of the Apex M Series, let's move to the specs. As we say on WIN PrintSpot, just the facts. And that's exactly what you're about to get. Just the facts. Maximum traverse speed. The Apex M Series is built for speed in real production. With traverse speeds up to 2,000 millimeters per second and high linear acceleration, the system moves quickly across the table while staying stable and controlled. That translates into a shorter cycle times and higher throughput without sacrificing cut quality. Precision cutting. Speed is only valuable when accuracy is consistent. The Apex M Series delivers repeatability down to 0.05 of a millimeter, ensuring clean, precise cuts from the first piece to the last. With nearly 2 inches of material clearance, it also handles thicker substrates and layered materials with confidence. Vacuum system. Material stability is managed through a powerful, software-controlled vacuum system. Variable vacuum zones allow operators to adjust hold down, power, and positioning based on the material and the job. With pump options from 7.5 to 15 kilowatts and up to 48 independent software-controlled vacuum zones, the system delivers strong, reliable hold down across a wide range of applications. Electrical requirements. Installation is straightforward. The Apex M Series runs on standard 220-volt three-phase power, making it easy to integrate into most shop environments without electrical upgrades or special infrastructure. MJ, that's the overview of the products and the facts. Now back to you.
This is some serious equipment that you're discussing here today, and I can now start to understand how this product meets the needs of industrial users. But the best part is to see it in action, in the demo.
I agree, MJ. It's time to see the Apex M Series demo. Take it away.
That's impressive performance and exactly what high quality, high volume finishing demands. Then, this is it.
This is the moment that matters most, the pitch. Mark will now lay out the 5 decisive reasons the CUTWORX USA Apex M Series earns its place on your production floor.
To summarize, here are the top 5 reasons the Apex M Series deserves strong consideration from print providers. The industrial vacuum control. With up to 1200 CFM of hold down power and up to 48 independent zones managed directly through the software, automatic tool changes. A 7-bit tool changer handles router bit swaps automatically, even within a single job or to streamline daily production. Magnetic drive system for smooth, quiet, friction-free movement designed for speed, precision, and long-term reliability. Everything comes standard, like the Kiss Cut tool, the drag knives, the creasing tool, the V-cut, and oscillating knife tools are all included from day one. Modular by design. The machine breaks down to fit through standard doorways, allowing installation in virtually any space. Now you've seen the market, you've seen the capabilities, and you've seen how the Apex M Series can elevate productivity and profit. Now you're on the spot. The choice is yours. This is WIN PrintSpot.
That wraps up an informative session with CUTWORX USA. Then it's time to put today's key takeaways on the spot.
Thanks, MJ. Today's session really comes down to 3 key takeaways. According to Mark's review, here are the top takeaways regarding the CUTWORX USA Apex M Series. Instant capacity upgrade is the first one. At this price point, there's no faster flatbed cutter, and for manual cutting operations, it's like adding a new employee without the headaches.
Number 2, ready out of the box. With included tooling and an integrated conveyor system, the Apex M Series delivers exceptional versatility across materials and applications.
And finally, easy installation, training, and support. The modular design allows the Apex M Series to be installed through a standard man door in almost any environment, with CUTWORX USA providing installation, training, and ongoing support to ensure long-term success.
Those are strong takeaways then. For more information on the Apex M Series, please visit www.cutworksusa.com. Thanks to Mark and Rome for joining us on the very first WIN PrintSpot. More sessions are already in the pipeline. This is only the beginning.
Thanks, MJ. Now it's up to you
To make the choice.
Thanks for joining us on WIN PrintSpot.